Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix email notification on iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. So step 1 is to check notification settings. So open settings app and from there simply scroll down and tap on notification. Now once you are in the notification, find and select the mail app and or the Gmail app if you use that. And now here in this section, make sure that allow notifications is turned on. And also make sure that lock screen, notification center and banners are enabled as well. Now with that, let's move to the step 2. That is to customize notification. So simply scroll down and tap on customize notifications. And here you can customize alerts for specific emails. For example, make sure that alerts are turned on and select a sound that works best for you. You can set this for new mail or choose another sound if you prefer. And now step 3 is to check other accounts. So don't forget to go back and check other accounts under mail to ensure notifications are enabled for them as well. And now with this, let's move forward to the step 4, that is to disable focus mode. So swipe down from the top right corner and open the control center. And here make sure that focus mode isn't enabled. But if it is, then just tap on it to turn it off so you can receive and see notifications. And now with this, let's move forward to the step 5, that is to check volume settings. So to do that, simply go to the settings app and from here you can simply scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics. Now here in this section, make sure that the volume is turned up for notification. Also swipe down from the top right again to ensure that the volume is up in the control center as well. Now step 6, that is silent mode. So check if your phone is in silent mode. If it is, then disable it to hear the notification. And with that, let's move to the step 7, that is to reinstall mail app. So if you have followed all the steps and notification still aren't working, you might want to try deleting the mail app and your email account and reinstalling it later. And that should fix the issue. And that's it. Now you know how to fix email notification on iPhone. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.